Hi everyone, Forrest here with Honey Pots Zone 5. It is spring and it is raining. Don't they say spring showers bring May flowers? Well, fingers crossed. Yes, let it be. Anyways, today I wanted to do kind of like a crafty garden thing with you guys. I used to be a big crafter. I mean, huge crafter. I did a ton of stuff. Made my kids' own toys. I mean, crazy stuff. Anyways, I had made these wooden kind of like plates to do flower pressing with, and I never got around to doing it. So today I have a real purpose to do it. You remember my roses from my sweetheart? Yeah, I want to keep those forever. So anyways, I thought, why not press them and share it with everyone else? So for me, total noob at this. This is just an adventure here, guys. I went ahead and tried it once on a flower, and it's a rose, and I laid it out flat. But then I had trouble with my screws and stuff because when I drilled my holes, they were kind of off. I don't know. I'm not like a Bob the Builder type. I'm not. So I'm going to leave that up to those that are, and that would not be me. So anyways, what you're going to do here with these is you're going to lay a towel out nice and flat. I'm going to pick a rose here. I'm trying to pick the best of the best. I probably let these go a little bit too long, but I wanted to take the time to do a video with you guys. So make sure they're moist, and you kind of want them when they're opened up a bit. And I'm going to peel off the leaves here that are a little bit brown, because you're going to want them nice and pretty when you display them. What I'm going to do, I'm not sure how I'm going to display them. I don't know. I'm thinking some sort of picture frame maybe. And right now, sorry, I'm out of camera. Right now, I'm just kind of like loosening up these petals. Just loosening them up so I can get this guy to lay flat. Like that. Isn't that pretty? Roses are gorgeous. So I'm going to lay this one here. Let's see. You can do them like that. You can do them on their side. Kind of like them open like this, because it's kind of like a damask type rose looking when you do that. And these are not damask. This is like a hybrid. And you can remove some of the petals, because when you flatten it out, it's not going to show all the petals that are on the flower. So if you've got one that's dry or doesn't look quite right, or it's causing problems with one near it that you want to keep, just go ahead and get rid of it. Okay, so this one, again, got some dry stuff here with some dry edges, and I'm just going to pull those right off of there. See, pretty, pretty rose. Okay. I don't know if this guy wants to open. I'm going to lay him flat. I'm kind of squishing him out a bit. Alright, and then let's do one more right here. This guy looks pretty good. And I just have a little pair of clippers here. And really all you're going to need is your wood. And I got these bolts here. I don't even know what size they are. My sweetheart set me up with them, so I could have them to save his roses forever. And then I got these little bolts and some washers. So, and that's it. I mean, and these are just paper towels. It's not a special paper. When I was reading about how to do this, it didn't say you have to have this, you know, certain type of acid-free paper or anything. Oh, this one's opening up really nice. Show you that. So I'm just using some paper towels. They're easy to come by, and if when I open it up and check it I need to replace a paper towel, that will be easy to do. Look how perfect roses are. Aren't they just gorgeous? This is just beautiful. Okay. And I'm going to put that one there. Maybe, oh, I kind of like how it's off-centered. Okay, see how that goes off-center? That's really, really cool. All right, I'm going to take another paper towel. I'm going to lay it on top of that. And let's hope that I don't have the mess up I did before with my boards. I am not a handy person when it comes to things like that. I have never created a right angle in my life. Everything is off. Yeah, see, these are... Let me flip this over and see if that will change it. I did. I got it stuck. I had to get a hammer on here. It was sad. But that's okay. All right, let me try it this way. Maybe I'll try a different board. Okay. I'm going to try a different board. Let's see how this one does. Dun, dun, dun. That went in nice and easy. And this is not. I think it's that back here. Okay. So anyways, you get the gist of it. I'm going to lay that board on top of here. And I will tighten it. And every day I will tighten it a little bit more. Getting those flowers nice and flat. And in about a week, I will check on them and see how they're doing. And I will show you guys the end product and probably do a craft video on what I'm going to make with these. Like I said, I think it's going to be something that I'm going to frame and put up. Or, you know, something along that line. Some sort of romantic memento. So, thanks, sweetheart. I appreciate it. Love you. And you guys, don't forget to like, subscribe. Any questions, comments, concerns, put them in the bottom. And I will see you guys in the next video.